Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gamma Oryzanol, updated. Start by clarifying your goal and current routine, then choose a conservative starting dose. Track effects like sleep, mood, and performance for 2 to 4 weeks. Adjust only one variable at a time to know what changed. If side effects appear, stop and consult a professional. Keep records to refine long-term use safely and effectively. Begin dosing conservatively and increase gradually while monitoring results closely. Take Gamma Oryzanol with food to support absorption and minimize nausea. Consider splitting the total daily dose into morning and evening doses for steadier effects. Note any interactions with prescription medicines and communicate changes to your provider. Consistency matters, so use a routine and record outcomes like energy, sleep, and recovery to judge effectiveness over several weeks. Prioritize safety by checking for interactions with your current medications and conditions. Women using hormonal treatments should exercise extra caution and discuss Gamma Oryzanol with their clinician. Watch for signs of adverse reactions, including unusual fatigue, mood changes, or persistent stomach issues. If you are pregnant, breastfeeding, or have a complex medical history, avoid self-dosing and seek professional guidance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.